Hello everyone, my name is Lazy118 and today we are back playing Angry Birds Star Wars 2 and wow. So I'm right now in the Star Wars mood. I have watched the Phantom Menace, Attack of the Clones and Revenge of the Sith, and I've watched A New Hope, Empire Strikes Back, and today I am watching The Return of the Jedi. I took a break because I felt like I want to play some Angry Birds Star Wars, and we got some stuff. And yeah, we are gonna do the Rebels. I have apparently already done this, but I guess I deleted it because I don't have like any footage of it. So yeah, let's play it. I know like more of the story now that I've watched it. Alright. Let's see how this guy walks again. I think he just like shoots laser. It's like a complicated laser. Ooh, that was close. And then, wow. Alright. Watching it is like watching the Star Wars movie was breathtaking. Like for like A New Hope, I think it was. Yeah, A New Hope, Empire Strikes Back. I'm just like amazed how much they can fit in a 2-hour movie. Because like I know the story, but I haven't like actually watched the movie itself. Like I know in Empire Strikes Back, okay, I can't really explain it. Or like the okay, like in the fourth movie, right? The fourth movie, like I wasn't expecting for. I didn't know that they went to. Like I didn't know like the. What is it called? Oh my gosh, I literally just watched it and now I'm like so confused. The Death Star, I think. Like I wasn't expecting for that to be destroyed in that movie. I thought they were like retreat, stuff like that. Oh yeah, the planet Hot. I didn't know because like the way I found out about Star Wars was by playing Angry Birds Star Wars. So like I wasn't expecting so much to happen. Go speed run this. So we got a new ally. Oh, doesn't this boat like uses bombs or something? Okay. Does he place? Okay, so he places two. Or like, can he place more? Maybe. Oh, three. Places three. Come on. Yes, I was hoping he could go there. Boom. That's now one. Oh, he doesn't damage the base. He just like places bombs. The bombs are colorful though. Like blows out confetti. Yeah, that's another one down. And gosh, this is like the AT-AT. Oh, this is like the making an AT-AT, I guess. Oh, okay. I was hoping to place one up there. No! Oh. Ooh, that thing! Shoot! Oh no! Oh, that's gonna get destroyed. Oh, not what I was expecting. Oh, that. Okay. Close enough. Whoop. Whoop. Boom. Oh, snap. Alright, we got one of these levels. Ooh, yeah, nice. Something can go over there. Come on, no. Hoping that deal more damage. That's good. That's not quite good, no? Please fall. Oh no. Ooh, that could. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Yeah, nice. Nice. Come on. Yes. Next level. Okay. Is one. Ah, I was hoping to go to the other side. Come on. Oh, yes. That's good. That's good. That's very good. That's very good. That is very good, if I do say so myself. Nice. And let's just wait until they're all defeated. Two, three. Oh, new board, eh? Oh wait, oh I remember. Doesn't he? Yep. Machine gun. Oh yeah, I remember now. The machine gun is pretty bad. Well, it's not what I expected to do. Wait, did I remember it wrong? Wait, what? But it's... Oh, it's like kind of blocked. Nice. Alright, this... Oh. Now that I know... Oh. Up here would be good. Yeah, nice. Oh, come on. Oh, man. Ooh. It's up there and now downhill. Come on. Ah, man. Place one here. Yes. Alright, level 10 is looking... let's just say... interesting. Yeah, there's so far. Oh my gosh. Even though still one hit left. Boom. Explode. Nice. You know, it's sad that, like, there's no more of this. Imagine, like, an Angry Bird the Mandalorian crossover. The Mandalorian is probably like one of my favorites in the Star Wars franchise. No, that was like a short. Feel like nah. Oh man. Anymore? Please. Oh. Oh no! Wait, not helpful. That was actually helpful. I thought that was not gonna be helpful. Wait. No, are you serious? Oh. Okay. Wow. Oh wow, I haven't noticed the backup somehow. I was like seeing it like wow. That is 2 moods. Wait a minute, I think I know what to do. Now we should know. Come on. Okay. Please don't shoot. Okay, shooting downwards. Now this. Please get the quick dumbbell. Okay. Now one final blow. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, we have did it. We have won. Now watch the cutscene. Explosion. And our little guy has a new team. Nice, and now the pig sign. Can't wait to do that. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.